Hello, my name is Carmela from Tripar International Inc.'s Product Department. Today I will show you how to assemble item 18574. For the assembly of this item, you will need a packet containing the assembly instructions and 4 screws, a hammer, a Phillips screwdriver, a pen, a bucket, and a nail. Step 1. Place part B, the tray, on top of your bucket. From there, take part A, the rest of the item, and place it through the ring of part B into the bucket. This will provide more stability and a better angle in which to mark. Step 2. Take your pen and mark at each one of these 4 prongs where your screw placement should be. From there, remove part A and part B, the tray, from the bucket. You will then take your nail and your hammer and create a pilot hole by lightly hammering the nail into the spots you have just marked. You do not have to go very deep, you're just creating a very small pilot hole in which to screw in your screws later. Do this in all 4 spots. Step 4. Take your bucket as well as tray part B and place that on top of the bucket. Also take the rest of the item, part A, and place part A into the positions that you have already marked and created pilot holes for. Once the prongs of part A are correctly lined up with the pilot holes, use your 4 screws and Phillips screwdriver to assemble the piece by screwing them into the holes. It does require a light amount of pressure in order to assemble this piece. You will repeat this with each screw for all 4. And there you have it. Your small piece of item 18574 is assembled and ready to go. Thank you for watching.